Buckle up, pancake lovers. We're about to ditch those flat, boring flapjacks and dive headfirst into the fluffy, jiggly world of soufflé pancakes, the Japanese street food that's flipping the breakfast game upside down. Here's a fun tidbit for you. These soufflé pancakes started their journey in 1974 in Hawaii at a place called Eggs and Things, right in the heart of Honolulu. Fast forward a few decades, these pancakes took a trip to Tokyo, and Japan became the perfect stage for the next chapter in the pancake saga. Now, these soufflé pancakes are popping up everywhere, from trendy cafes to street food stalls, making the world a fluffier place one jiggle at a time. Ready to whip up some magic? Let's dive into the soufflé pancake wonderland. The process is as easy as pie. Well, pancakes. You don't need to be a Michelin star chef to nail this. First up, 2 large fresh eggs. These babies need to be at room temperature. Eggs are the MPVs for that airy texture. Crack these eggs like a pro and separate the yolks from the whites. Make sure no yolks in the whites. Even a tiny bit of yolk can sabotage your fluffy dreams. No pressure. Now let's add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the egg yolks, then pour in 2 tablespoons of milk. Next, we add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder into the yolk mixture. Give it a good whip to combine everything. Baking powder makes the pancakes rise like a phoenix. And just a squeeze of lemon juice adds a zesty twist that keeps things interesting. About half a teaspoon will do. Make sure everything is well combined and smooth, like a jazz musician on a Sunday morning. Now, it's time to whip these egg whites into stiff peaks. If you're using a whisk, prepare for the best arm workout of your life. If you're using an electric mixer, congratulations, you're smart and efficient. Now go ahead and add in the sugar little by little and keep mixing till a stiff peak forms. The sugar helps to create a glossy, stable meringue. Okay, now it's time. Now fold the egg whites into the yolk batter. This isn't a wrestling match, people. Smooth and steady until the mixtures are just combined. If the batter looks like a fluffy cloud, you're on the right track. Preheat a non-stick pan over low heat and grease it with a tiny bit of oil. Wipe away any excess oil. The pan should be hot but not too hot, so the pancakes cook evenly without burning. We want golden brown pancakes, not charcoal. For best result, we can cook these fluffy babies in egg ring molds, or we can put the batter into a piping bag. I'm just going to spoon the batter onto the pan. Patience is key. Low and slow is the name of the game. Cover it and let the pancakes cook. Add a little water in the pan, just a little. You don't want your pancake end up swimming in the pan. Covering the pan helps the pancakes cook evenly and rise beautifully. It's like giving them a cozy little sauna. Flip them carefully and cook the other side until they're golden and puffy. Gently lift the edges before flipping to make sure they're ready. Once flipped, let them cook for another minute or 2 until both sides are perfectly golden. Look at these towering beauties. They're like edible clouds stacked high and ready to make your breakfast dreams come true. Light, fluffy, and absolutely divine. This is the kind of breakfast that deserves its own round of applause. All right, folks, it's time for the piece de resistance, decorating. This is where you can unleash your inner Picasso. So let's pile on those toppings like there's no tomorrow. Fresh berries, whipped cream, a drizzle of maple syrup, whatever rocks your boat. If you're drooling as much as I am now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Now go on, conquer the soufflé pancake world.